Well, we're in the hills of Ohio. A little bit of an overcast day. Found a parking spot for the van right here in front of the barn. And we'll just kind of swing on around here. And very nice place out here. Very nice place. But these folks happen to notice what's up there on the hill. Let's see if we can get a little closer. That bus look familiar to anybody?
Hey everybody, we're on the road again going up to Amish country. Daryl happened to watch a video this morning and saw that Justin Rhodes was going to be in Ohio for a meetup, and that's only an hour and a half from us, so here we go, and we'll have more later. See ya!
Hey, don't shoot me, I'm camera shy!
Yeah.
That's when I figured that out in Maine and I started saying,
Oh, where are you from? And they say, where does it say? Well, they say it's almost. There's the bag. Not bitter, it's just sour cream in the bowl. And the chips. I didn't know what the camera. That's good. Okay. Am I in the vlog? Am I in the vlog?
In the vlog.
Hello.
We gotta get you too.
I'm Rebecca.
I'm Sherry.
Sherry.
they do doesn't have their swale, so that's kind of what we're going here. What I haven't really done folks from.
So how did you hear about this?
Justin here, Andy, put up your hand. The bearded guy.
Yeah.
That makes tacos, if you saw today's vlog. And then, is Quinn here yet?
Quinn is down there talking to my wife.
And then Quinn, point her out, from Reformation Acres.
Laurel, that little girl with a teal on right beside her.
Okay. So you're here for one of these, or all three of us, so, or each other. It'd be cool that you guys meet each other and find out how close you probably are actually to each other. We love to create community because we can't be here all the time, but you guys are. So I encourage you to mingle, be friends, be merry. We're gonna eat, so thank you for the feast that you guys have brought. How about let's just come in this way and then out that way in a little bit. When I get the vlogger out, we're gonna test some blood sausage. It's rice with pork blood. So I want some drama there, all right? Who thinks that's gross, eating pig blood? That's who I want to come and try it.
Bacon lube, spicy, where you have to sign a waiver.
Meet up, y'all. Andy, what you cooking?
We've got blood sausage.
Yum.
Plenty of it.
Oh my God. Has anybody tried it yet?
Yes, we have. Bill has.
Okay, Bill, how was it?
It's excellent.
Okay.
Not quite what I expected.
Okay, who's next? Anybody? That was such a great review. Back up, slow down. Slow down, don't rush him. Okay.
Katie ordered.
I have faith in you. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah, she's had some of your stuff.
Oh, it's really good.
Okay,
It's
awesome.
really good.
Tell us what it tastes like.
It's like a deeper, richer flavor than you would anticipate. You just can't think of the blood, and then you're in good shape. So.
What's your name? Where are you from and what are you growing?
Katie Saracos from Heartland Homestead in Johnstown, Ohio, and we grow meat chickens and lamb. So.
Okay. What's your name?
Rice, onion, equal amounts rice, onion, and blood.
Oh, okay.
By weight.
Okay.
And then there's cayenne, paprika, star anise.
Okay, you gonna try it?
That's what it's like a star anise.
Yeah, there's a little bit of licorice sort of underneath some of it.
What's it taste like?
At first it's very soft and pretty mild, but towards the end there's a big spicy kick.
Wow, great description.
That was really good.
That was good, wasn't it, Andy? Good.
Yeah, I appreciate that one. Yeah.
What's your name, where you from, and what are you growing?
I'm Teresa Fritz. I'm from Louisville, Ohio, and I raise French Angora rabbits, and I have a small herb garden.
Good for you. You next?
I thought it was blood.
You smelled the blood? Oh no, oh no.
Delicious!
Okay, is anybody here really freaked out about eating some pig blood?
Yeah.
That's why I want to taste it.
Oh,
Come on
no
down.
You're the big winner.
We watched this
There we go.
on your side. You just close your eyes.
Yeah, that works
Just enjoy it.
better.
Yeah, close your eyes and enjoy it.
There he is. They used to
Take
do
it all in.
French sausage. They used to do it with French, but then they thicker because they used to cook. So it turned more to bologna.
Gotcha.
But
Okay.
as it aged, it changed.
Okay.
Probably wouldn't
And
Yeah.
my side,
But how was it? I mean,
they used to do what they call
yeah,
roots.
no, not that bad.
Okay.
That's okay
Good
for
job,
someone who's
Andy.
really put on by it. Good.
Good job. No gag.
All right, buddy. You gonna try it?
She does.
No,
Yeah.
no.
So we're at the Johnson Rose meetup, and we have run across a young lady here who's a little bit of an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
inventor, perhaps. So give us your name, where are you from?
I'm Teresa Fritz, and I'm from Louisville, Ohio.
Louisville, okay. And what is it you're making and producing?
These survival bracelets.
Okay.
The name for them is called the Food and Fire Survival Bracelet because they can start your fires, like so, with these nice sparks.
Okay.
And inside the paracord, there is fishing line, copper wire, for which can be fashioned as snares, and jute twine. And then there's a compass on one of the styles, soon to be two, and a very high-pitched survival whistle. And then inside a piece of tape right by the end you can open up is
Okay.
two Aberdeen size 6 fish hooks.
So it's the whole package. And currently you're selling these where?
Mostly at farmers markets, but I will have a Etsy shop set up soon.
Okay, great. Great. Very interesting. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You have a great day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.
The next best time is today. So I started today.
Lots of kids, everybody having a good time.
One is so, you know, these are round numbers. Like I talked to nursery.
The last 3 years, One person? Well,
Maria, do you want to talk?
all right, line up if you want to be in the vlog.
Well, you
Your 15
say
seconds of
you
fame.
say like 2 things regarding.
Maybe 7.5 seconds.
Where are the rest of my children? Maybe like 1 second of fame. There's a lot of people here. Hey boys, come stand with us. We're going to be on the block. Come stand right in
The
front.
boys are going to be asking to watch the vlog here on water.
That's going to be their new favorite vlog.
Well then go over by the, I think my water bottle's kind of good.
Oh,
I think all of them have to.
okay, we got it? All right.
You gotta be nice and loud, okay? It's your time to shine, sister.
That's the
Okay, at first I said you got to eat the blood sausage to be on the vlog. Oh, we'll give them some mercy here. We'll give them some mercy. Okay, what's your name? Where are you from? What are you growing?
My name is Maria Kroger, and I'm growing broccoli, peas, tomatoes, and a lot of other stuff to enter in the fair.
Yes.
And we have chickens and goats and ducks and dogs and all kinds of good stuff.
E-I-E-I-O farm right there. Okay, what's y'all's name? Where are you from and what are you growing?
Chickens, rabbits, and
Yes. Good job, guys. The blood sausage lady. Okay.
We're the Gilbert. I'm Monty. Jamie and Kelly Rye and Fields Rye Homestead.
Yeah, we're growing chickens and geese and fruits and vegetables.
What do you do with those geese?
Well, we're growing them right now.
We're growing them. We're going to be meat at some point.
Meat, okay, cool.
But I got to separate
And
it.
to protect our flock.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
All right,
All right.
with the separation. What's your name? Where are you from? What are you growing?
Josh, Dean, Jonah, and Judson, and Jenna.
Ah.
We're from Kent, Ohio. We're growing chickens, a bunny, dog, chilies, and we're hoping to do more with cattle and other things in the future.
Okay, good for you
Thanks for
guys.
inspiring us.
Oh, you're very welcome.
All types of produce in our garden. We also have grapes and some fruit trees. Canning, preserving, dehydration. We've lost these photos out a long time.
Thank you for watching, buddy.
And you can find us on Instagram and Facebook.
And we have.
You gotta say it.
Yep.
What's the name of the Instagram and Facebook?
Westfield Acres, and
Okay.
hopefully he'll put the link down below.
Westfield Acres.
We raise milk goats, pigs. We're about to do starting sheep. We're butchering about 130 broilers this weekend. We have turkeys, laying hens. What else do we have?
Pigs, goats, turkeys, chickens.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You guys are killing it. Good job.
Yeah, we have fun. Oh, and we just put an orchard in this spring.
Okay, congratulations.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
We're the Kurtzes from Salem, Ohio, and we have chickens, raise all kinds of vegetables, fruit trees, berries, nuts, and we harvest rainwater and compost.
Good for you guys.
Thank you so much.
And I'm growing senile.
Not heard that one before.
Hi, I'm Katie Sarakis, and I'm from Heartland Homestead in Johnstown, Ohio. And my partner Paul and I raise lambs, and we have pygmy goats, broilers, laying hens, and we just got bees. And then our newest addition is coming to the homestead
Aw.
in July too. So,
Congratulations.
Yeah, so follow us at Heartland Homestead on Facebook.
Cool. Have an 80 son too. How many of there are you?
There's 11.
Cool. Congratulations. Okay, name, where are you from, what are you growing?
Kathy and Seth, and all the kids. We'll save some time.
Louisville, Ohio.
Chickens, turkeys, duck, quail, bees, goats, and we just started pigs. Oh, and garden
Cool. And lots and lots of children.
and lots of childlers. We grow childlers.
Hey, buddy.
You want to talk?
You can stand.
All right. Name, where you from, what you growing?
we are growing
Open. What's your name?
Brooklyn,
Brooklyn. This is Madison, and this is Haley, and I'm Larissa. We are from Salem, West Virginia, and we are growing what?
We are growing sunflowers.
Sunflowers and tomatoes. We have summer squash and peppers and some herbs. And what's your favorite part? What do we have 16 of?
16 chickens.
All right. After we get better suited with the chickens, we're getting some bees and hopefully some.
So she can't stand for very long. So she can't stand long enough to eat enough. So, and I don't think she can see. I think she's blind. So.
How old is she?
Just a couple days. She was born on Thursday. Yeah.
My baby goats, when they're born, they aren't that small.
Well, she's a Nigerian, so she's a small breed, and she's small for a Nigerian. So.
Oh, she likes it.
Funny.
Uh-oh.
What type of goat is it? She's a Nigerian.